Today we're doing an oil change on a 1978 Power Wagon. So next we take off the oil filter, which is up here. I don't know if you can see it on the camera that well. So once you get your oil filter nice and loose, be careful because it's going to make a mess everywhere. Looks like it's going to get all over the header. Look at the line grab lines here. And here we go. Oh, surprisingly not. So it's time to put this back in. Now it's time to tighten it back up, but make sure you don't over tighten it or leave it too loose. Now it's time to put the filter back up. So now we're just pouring in the oil. Just make sure you don't make a mess like I did. I just spilled some on the valve covers. And also listen out for any leaks just in case you didn't tighten it enough. Either the oil filter or the screw, the bolt. Every last drop counts. Okay, so it's time to put the oil cap back on. I'm gonna go ahead and check my dipstick, see if there's anything in there. So moment of truth, we're gonna see if we have any leaks or anything. And that was it for today's oil change. Hopefully you find it helpful. Subscribe, hit the like button, and come back to this channel.